Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you a VS Code extension which is like having a personal productivity coach right inside your VS Code. Whether you are coding on work, a project or just learning something new, this extension will keep track of every single minute spent on coding. So let's begin. First of all, go to wakatime.com, click on login, or you can like create an account by clicking on a sign up. After that, when you create an account, go to the dashboard. On the top right, you can click on the settings. And when you visit settings, just copy the secret API key. Just copy it. After that, go to VS Code. In the extensions panel, search for Wakatime. Click on the Wakatime app. Click on install. After installing it, hit Ctrl+Shift+P, search for Wakatime API key and just enter your API key and press enter. It's done, guys. The setup is officially done. Now start coding, and after 24 hours just go to wakatime.com dashboard and you will see all the stats. So let me show you my last 7 days stats as per the Wakatime. So as you can see on my screen here, the wakatime.com dashboard is showing me my last 7 days stats. I worked 26 hours and 31 minutes. But let me tell you something. Before that, if you can see my cursor, there is a settings icon. If you click on the settings icon, it will show you keystroke timeout. What does this mean? Because that's the most important thing. Like you guys know, coding is not like just typing thuk 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 thuk. Okay, it's not like movies. It's like a real life thing. You have to like think, how should I write the code to make it optimized, reusable, refactorable and everything. Okay, so that's the thing. So if you change this from 15 minutes to 250 minutes, you can, and save changes, you can see it is showing me on 20th of September I worked 3 hours 14 minutes. But if I change back this to 15 minutes, it is showing me I have worked for 1 hour 40 minutes. So it means I was like total how many hours I worked while hitting my keys, like any single key, in less than 15 minutes. So I prefer you to guys use this as a 30-second timeout. Like I don't know, like depends on the person to person, but let it be 15 minutes for right now. Okay, so as you can see here, in the last 7 days I worked for 26 hours 31 minutes, and if you hover on this graph, it is showing me on 18th September I worked like 5 hours of siblings, 1.5 hour on top secret and everything. So if I click on this arrow, it will show me like let's check for today. Today I haven't worked because I took a break today. Okay, and like yesterday on 20th September I worked around 1 hour 40 minutes, like whereas on CEO Mitra website I worked around 1.5 hour, portfolio website 12 minutes, native 9 minutes. Okay, sorry, I opened this by mistake. And let it load. So if I check for yesterday's, like yesterday I worked 1.5 hour on TypeScript. Yes guys, it will show you the stack you are working on also, like, and 9 minutes on JavaScript, 3 minutes on HTML. It's minutes or seconds, I don't know, JSON and Git bash and everything. Okay, and same goes for here. It will show me the all the languages I worked in the bar graph, pie chart, not bar graph, pie chart. And it will also show you the editors. Like I don't know like you guys use multiple editors or not, but I only use VS Code, so it is showing me the VS Code for the last 7 days. And also for the operating system, like for example, if you have different operating systems and different machines too, and like today I worked 0 seconds, so it will show me just 0. It will also show me how much I worked for the past week in, like, you know, graph chart. Sorry, this is not graph chart, I don't remember what is this called, bar chart I think. Okay, so it is showing me I have worked for 6.5 hours coded and building only 2 minutes. I really don't know what about this, but these 3 boxes are the main boxes as per me and for me. Okay, and in the bottom I can see my, you know, whole project section. Ki like on this project I have worked for this time, in the top secret I worked for this time, CEO Mitra I worked for this time and everything. So this is my last 7 day stats. I know it's a little bit less because I was not coding technically for the past week. I was just building means I was just deciding the database and everything, ki how my schema will look. I use MongoDB for the backend, like database and all. Okay, so that's the thing. So that is Wakatime in a nutshell. If you want to increase your productivity level, you must use this application because it will keep track of your coding time every single second. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment on my video, which will be greatly thankful to you guys, and you can share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching my video guys. Have a nice day.